that's becoming quite handy today because it is finally a nice warm spring day. It's like 80 something degrees outside. I'm super pumped about it, but we're kind of at a weird point in the build and I don't know how I feel about it because it's kind of making things a little more difficult with this whole like filming process. I have to do a bunch of little knickknacks projects here and there to be able to move on to the next project, and I keep having to like redo that. So I think I'm gonna start like vlogging this whole school bus experience and just kind of bring you guys along with the actual build and what I'm doing, as opposed to making like dedicated tutorials. I'm not saying I won't continue to do that, but I think like maybe later on I might do like more detailed walkthroughs of what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. Today I've got to do some electrical stuff, which is just basically installing the outlets. Very simple, very basic. It's just cutting out some of the foam and then nailing these things in. And I've got to do that before I start running all the wiring, and I kind of have to figure out the placement of all that. So that's what I'm doing first, and then I'm hoping to get to the front door. Our front door like isn't level. I mean, it's level, but it like sags. The ledge that's on the bottom of it, it needs to like be a little taller so it'll sit on top of that ledge, as opposed to right now it's like smacking it and it won't shut all the way. So I've got to figure out a way to fix that. So for now, let's just cut out these holes, get these electrical boxes installed, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. I guess like 5 more? Yeah, not too bad. I'm being too picky. Like, should it go here or should it go here? Like, I think my computer's gonna go here. So this is the security lights for the outside. I guess that's probably good. Don't you think?
AC?
AC's kicking.
Oh. Got it.
Trying it out, seeing how it works.
And?
So far it works decent. Feel it?
Yeah. The bus looks like this, but yet we have AC and...
Yeah, no, AC and electricity and full running power.
Lights and...
So the dumb question is... Okay, so because of complications, it's not gonna go here or here, it's gonna go here. The bed's probably gonna stop like right here. She wants to do a headboard and we're trying to make it stop right here with the windows. And this will be one solid wall with like a casing up top or like a little shelf. And then a dresser right here. So I think she said she wanted it like right here. And this is just for our security lights. We're gonna have a pot on each corner. It'll be a switch for the left side and the right side. So I think this will work. This will be fine. Gotta take advantage of them sale days. Cheese sticks. I was gonna show you, I didn't want you to eat it. When you go back to Sonic in high school,
yeah,
that was good times.
It was always a sale day for you, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. But that Mocha Java chiller, I think it was bomb.
A stinker.
I hope we don't get COVID-19 from this.
Alan, my brother-in-law, I sneezed and he goes, "You got COVID 19?" It's your mama. Hi.
So one of the goals for tonight is to get the ceiling finished. I don't know how much that's gonna happen, but we'll see. Emily's supposed to help me. If we get the ceiling done, now I'm gonna feel quite accomplished. I just need to rip these in half basically. The bus is 7.5 feet wide. These boards are 4x8. It takes about 7.5 of them to span all the way across, or to span the full length. And we're gonna cut them so they're 7 feet, because we can basically get it. It'll bend up to the 7 foot mark. So I just need to cut a foot off each one of these. And I've got 4 right now. I've already got 2 done, so I'll probably have to do another one. I'm gonna do that later when I get closer to the end of it, so. So these screws look so much better. So we were using these 1.5 inch, 1 inch drywall screws, and they had big heads, and I didn't like that you could see them like a lot more noticeably than I anticipated. And we used a couple of these because these are thicker threads than these were. Went to Lowe's and got these little tiny things, and these are so much better. Like, they're tighter threads, so they have more grip, and the heads are smaller, and they thread all the way to the tippy top. So I mean, you can't even, you can see these holes more than you can see these screws. This is what we were using, and the gold is what we've got now.
All right, yeah, that's right. Knock yourself out. Back. You come down some. Push too much. Which is really good.
You think it'll work?
We're going to connect these. Oh no!
Living room lights. Test it out. Wow. This looks like it was on the internet. That's pretty bright.
This could almost be an Amazon picture. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. What do you think?
Hey, looking, yeah, that one in the middle sags down a little bit. Dude, look how legit this looks.
Can you believe, like, what's it gonna look like when we get this done? I can't. I mean, I know what it's gonna look like because we've watched a bajillion layouts, but.
Like, it really is weird just seeing this stuff on the internet all the time and then now seeing it in person.
You know what this also makes me realize?
What?
How short we are.
I know.
I'm like, wow.
Alright, back to work. Nope, no fun zone.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Keep going. Okay.
Alright, kitchen lights. The living room lights only pull like 1 amp, which is super good because each light is 270 lumens. It's only 3 watts per light, so that's 3, it's 15 watts.
Sure. Sounds great.
Very energy efficient. We're just trying to help out the environment.
Oh.
Kitchen lights, you ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh. pulling 0.7 amps. It's because we got 4 in here and 5 in the living room.
No, I really do think that it's probably just because we worked so hard putting those in, but they're pretty. Aren't they pretty?
They look great. Probably some of the best lights I've ever seen.
Yeah.
No disrespect to people that have done this before, but ours probably look better than yours.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. No, yeah, I'm pumped. It is weird though, like I said earlier, like seeing these not on Instagram or not on YouTube.
In person?
It's seeing them in person. It's like when I was doing the penny thing for the floors.
Oh god, yeah, I forgot about that. Come a really, really long way. We have a long way to go.
I mean, it's starting to look kind of cozy. Look, we got a couch.
We got a couch.
Ceiling.
Wait, were you trying to say that once Milo's bunk's done, we were like headed in the right direction? We got Milo's bunk, we've got our bed, we got our desk, we have our closet, we have the bathroom, we've got the shower.
We have electricity to finish.
We have plumbing.
We gotta paint the outside.
Gotta build the cabinets.
Gotta redo the dash.
We gotta do the media, we gotta do desks 1 and 2. Ugh, sorry y'all, it's like midnight. Real talk, Milo woke up at 3:30 and did not actually want to go to sleep, back to sleep. We're pretty tired, and then we're doing renovations in my mom's house.
Good times.
Things, yeah.
Good times. Thanks for watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we'd really, really appreciate it. And anything else?
I tried really hard to hold that one in.
Yeah.
It is, but I'm just curious to... Oh, I'll lose it.
Alright. Thanks, guys.
Yes, thank you.